Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are going to can some pineapples. So what I start off by doing is boiling my jars, and then I make a simple sugar, and then I go and cut my pineapples while all of that is boiling. So I cut about 5 of them, and as you can see I got one more left, and then I check on my jars, take them out so I can get started. Now I like to keep them in there, and then I replace them, and then all of that. So I'm doing this with one hand, so please bear with the video. I basically add them to the jars using my funnel, and yeah, normally I use my hands. So like I said, I'm one-handed today. And then I add my simple sugar, which is still warm. So I have warm jars, a warm canner, and yeah. So I basically just fill them, leaving about an inch head space. Then I use my debubbler to make sure there's no air pockets, and my pineapple juice. And then I'm going to clean the rim of my jar, make sure nothing is up there to prevent from getting a good seal. And I have everything stacked and clean on the side, and I just put them on fingertip tight, and I add it back into the canner. And as you can see, all 12 are ready to process. I let it come to a rapid boil and let it do it for about 20 minutes. And yeah, we done.